Effective instructional design begins with understanding how your students learn. When you look across your classroom, you'll find students who prefer to listen to content during their commute, students who need text they can resize or reformat to process complex ideas, and students who rely on digital tools to stay organized and engaged. The question isn't whether your students have special needs. It's whether your course gives every student genuine options for assessing and interacting with your material. Ally score reports in Brightspace provide a practical starting point. By running a baseline review, you gain a clear picture of your course design, identifying where you already offer flexibility and where technical gaps, such as missing alternative text, unclear document structure, or low contrast text, might unintentionally limit access. Ally helps you pinpoint these opportunities to improve how your content is structured and represented. When you address these foundational elements and provide multiple formats, you're proactively creating a better learning experience for everyone. Students perform better when they can navigate content seamlessly and choose the format that fits their schedule, cognitive load, or device. Inclusivity isn't about meeting a compliance standard. It's about designing courses that work for all students. When you build in options from the start, you create an environment where every student has an authentic path to success. Once you've run your baseline review in Ally, you'll see specific opportunities to improve your course results. This might include adding alternative text to images, restructuring PDFs with proper headings, or adjusting color contrast in your slides. These improvements make your content easier to navigate and more flexible for all students, whether they're reviewing materials on their phone, listening during a commute, or managing a busy, high-stimulation environment. The goal is to create versatile, high-quality materials that work across different contexts and devices. In your Brightspace course, Ally serves as your primary diagnostic tool for assessing inclusivity. It automatically scans your content to provide a benchmark score, a roadmap that identifies where your course stands, and highlights the specific areas that need refinement. This report prioritizes your tasks, organizing issues into those that are easiest to fix and those that have the most significant impact on student access. Ally uses visual gauges to represent your content's health. A red gauge signals severe barriers, such as a scanned PDF that is essentially just an image, making it unreadable for screen readers. Orange and light green gauges indicate partial inclusivity, content that is functional but requires strategic tweaks, such as adding structural headings or improving color contrast. While these gauges are visible only to you as the instructor, they drive a transformative experience for your students. When you improve a score, you are moving from passive content delivery to active, student-centered choice. Refining your course does not require technical expertise. It requires intentional design choices. You can begin with 3 high-impact actions. Alternative text. Add descriptions to images so screen readers can see the visual context. Structural headings. Use heading styles to create a digital map of your document, allowing students to skip directly to the sections they need. And descriptive links. Replace "click here" with meaningful text, like "visit the university library," to clarify the destination for all users. Your Ally report is more than a score. It is a guide for strategic course revision. By taking these concrete steps, you are creating a more equitable, engaging, and successful environment for every student. Change doesn't happen overnight, but every small adjustment significantly expands the pathway to learning. Let's begin.